Hi everyone, we're back at the IMPS booth, and today we're going to talk about our CFClean product line, which is relatively new, and the fact that we actually have a UL AWM approval to go along with it. So we have our cables that are made specifically for use in our eSkin flat cable carrier product line. And what this allows for is use inside of a clean room application, but we will also guarantee it for up to 20 million cycles. What's important about that aspect is the fact that a lot of these clean room applications are very low bend radii, but they also move very quickly. So the fact that we can achieve 20 million cycles guaranteed is one of the things that's most important about new products that we're offering. With the CFClean, we offer control, coax, data, power, as well as Ethernet cables. So we have a wide variety of options depending on what your application requires. To learn more about our CFClean product line or to see how you can incorporate it into your application, please click the link below. Thanks for watching.